So this is how you can look at the flagged emails on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So we move over to the Mail app, and let's say that I'm going to go to the inbox section, or I don't know, somewhere where I have some emails to begin with, right? And when I click on one of them, I have the ability to click on the more options, or like the arrow, and I can click on the flag, right? So whichever email you receive, you can kind of like flag it, which means that you put a mark on it or separate it into this like specific flagged category. So you can click on it as such, and you can give it a certain color. So yeah, let's say I'm gonna flag it as a yellow email, right? Now it's been flagged, right? So as you can tell, if I click on the arrow again, it's flagged and it's saved as such. But how exactly can you see it? So if you come back, you can first of all notice it that this email has a little flag icon in the right next to the time information. So that's the first thing to take a look at. So when you are browsing or scrolling through emails, just pay attention to the little icon. But if you come back to this like main section, you'll be able to browse all of your emails. So this one belonged to Gmail, but it doesn't matter because even though I have both Gmail and iCloud emails added, at the top I have this section which is all mailboxes put together. And that's nice because here I would have the ability to see the flagged ones. But if you don't see it right away, just click on the edit and make sure that flagged is checked, right? So if you don't have it enabled, just make sure you enable it and hit it done. And now I have a flagged folder at the top, which I can even reorganize and put into a different place, but it contains one email. And of course, it's the one which we just flagged. It was part of Gmail, but it doesn't matter because it's all like put together in here. Even if I go to, I don't know, for instance, to the iCloud email, right? So part of the iCloud folders, I can go to work related stuff, right? Random email in here, click on more options and flag it in the green color this time. Now we also have the little icon there, part of the iCloud emails, but if I go to the top, go to the flagged emails, put it together, we have one and the other nicely put it together. Even though one has been received with the iCloud email, the other with Google Gmail, but it's nicely put together. So this is how you can see your flagged emails. Let me know if you managed to find it as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.